Can you use peanut butter instead of thermal paste? I wanted to find out because I was fresh out of thermal paste. Now, regular thermal paste allows efficient heat transfer from the processor to the cooling fan, so it could dissipate heat more effectively. Today, peanut butter will be doing thermal paste's job. So first I grabbed my peanut butter knife for my iFixit toolkit, put a pea-sized amount of peanut butter on the processor, install the CPU fan. It is oozing out a little bit, but it's okay. Turn that hoe on, and I gamed intensely for about an hour. Temps were in the 50s and mid 60s, which is pretty good. All I can say is,
Wow.
honestly, I wasn't expecting that. So if you ever run out of thermal paste, you can use peanut butter. Just make sure it's smooth, and reapply every time you game. So now you know if someone asks you,